Has script maintenance got you down? Well, step away from the keyboard because I've got something you're going to want to hear. I'm Nathan, one of the co-founders here at TestChimp, and today I'm here to talk to you about the TestChimp managed tests and how they're going to save you hours and hours of time right now. Now, writing scripts is a pain, but maintaining brittle scripts is a real headache. So there's tons of noise out there right now around agentic tests, but purely agentic tests have major downsides. First, they're slow. Second, incredibly costly due to their constant token usage. And third, they're just not deterministic. Agents can hallucinate, and that's a problem. On the other hand, traditional scripts are brittle, breaking at even the slightest UX change. Now, TestChimp managed tests give you the best of both worlds. They're fast, transparent execution of scripts, and with the adaptability of agentic executions. This works right in VS Code or as part of your CI process. Let's see it in action. Here's a scenario. Our agent parses that scenario and then steps through the tests, learning and drafting a new Playwright script. Boom, there's your code. It's still a plain Playwright script, but this time with intent comments. Run it like any normal, fast script. Now imagine a developer changes an element. The test is broken. Instead of debugging, right-click and run with AI repair. TestChimp AI tests the script first, and if it fails, then the agent immediately jumps in and repairs the breakage. And you can see here, the test succeeds. Finally, notice the updated script. The agent automatically adds repair advice, which is like a running history of fixes that guides the future repairs, providing context for future fixes and information for devs. The same agentic repair capabilities are available when you run the tests in your CI pipelines. Use our GitHub action, which automatically runs everything as a TestChimp managed test with agentic repairs built in. The scripts we're going to run normally, ensuring fast execution, with the agent pulled in to address any issues. And to keep you in the loop, the agent raises a pull request with the script changes so that you can review and approve everything. So, wouldn't you rather spend your time building new features instead of fixing old tests? Now, with TestChimp managed tests, you can unlock agentic testing right in your IDE and CI pipelines. To get started, sign up for a free trial at testchimp.io and download the VS Code extension. I've left a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on testing.